This video is meant to help those find zeros of a quadratic function using the intersection. So for this example on the screen, the first thing that we need to do is subtract 2 from both sides. So we want to make sure that we have our equation equal to 0. So we get 3x squared plus 5x and then minus 2 equals 0. So what we want to do is take the first half, or say the left side of this equation, and plug that into our calculator into y1. So I'm going to go to y equals, and I'm going to plug in my calculator the function. So 3x squared, and let me just make sure that was plus 5x. So plus 5x minus 2. And then in my y2, I want to put the right-hand side of the equation, or 0. From here, I like to graph my equation so I know what I'm looking at. And as you can see, the blue parabola is the quadratic equation, and the red horizontal line is the line y equals 0. So from here, I'm going to go second trace, and I'm going to go down to intersect. This is an alternate way of finding the zeros. So we are going to find the intersection between those 2 points. So hit option 5. And what I'd like to tell my students is to make sure that your spider or your flower is close to the 0 that you are interested in. Notice there's 2. I have 1 here and 1 here. We're going to need to repeat the process twice. But once your blinker is close to the 0, you're going to hit enter 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. And if you notice, your intersection is at the point -2, 0. So now to find the other intersection, I'm going to repeat the process. So second trace, I'm going to go down to intersect. But now I need to move my blinker to the other 0, or the other solution. And I'm going to repeat. I'm going to hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. My intersection over here is 0.3 repeating, or 1/3, comma 0. And that's how you use intersections to find the zeros of a given quadratic.